It's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably Audi. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, Audi smartphone interface, leather bucket seats, and auto shift manual transmission. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.